We also ask when installing Renoco supplied equipment that you add a filter on the main water supply line underneath the cabinet where the Renoco equipment is being put on. Where the coffee bar is, we would like you to put a filter. And before the filter, we would like you to put a shutoff valve before the filter so that it makes it easier to change out each time it needs to be swapped in a preventive maintenance situation. Shutoff valve before the filter so that it's easier to switch out and put a new filter on when the preventive maintenance comes around due. Again, we would like this put underneath the cabinet or behind the equipment if needed at every install of Renoco equipment.